All right, people of Earth, hope you're having a decent day. Just got this in the mail, okay? This is the legendary, the immaculate
Remington Sportsman.
And I've had this knife for 14 years. This is like my little buddy, but he's getting a little tired. So he is gonna become my car knife. And it's like having an old dog and getting a puppy. We have adopted and brought into our home his replacement. This might be his final unboxing. So rest in peace. Nice and dull.
Well. What do we have here?
Look, he's already pissed. He knows. So here you go. Remington Sportsman Series. Fast. Large folder. 5 inches closed. 440 SS. Ooh, rubber coated handle.
Black on black, baby.
3 5/8 clip. Serrated. 440 stainless. Black oxide coated blade. Handle. Pocket clip. 5-inch close length. 8 5/8 overall length. Lanyard hole. 5 ounces. Lifetime warranty. Jacksonville, Alabama. Made in China. It's got nice packaging. Got this little bubble to keep the tip from coming through, and then you have like this. The plastic molding is pinched on each side to keep it from moving around. I don't know, it's kind of neat. So we're gonna crack this open and we're gonna compare old and new. She is free. Nice. So there you have it. Three sets of teeth, which I like. I use the serrated a lot. Feels a little heavier. I'm not gonna weigh them, but this one has the clip on it. Obviously this one I took off. I don't like the clip, just personal preference. And then my old one is shaped differently because I ground it down. I can't remember why. It's been a long time. I do like the black on black though. I like that. Looks like same everything else. Yeah, I mean, everything's the same. Been making this for a while now. It's not like it's not spring assist. Like it just has this lever. Like this is just on a fixed mechanical stud hinge. Like there's no spring assist or any kind of assist. So it's not gonna come fully out. Don't think that it's just gonna bing, do a little cut test. Like this isn't printer paper. Like this is like a heavier card. Pretty good. That's like it's a heavy card. So it's got a good factory edge on it. And then the serrated, like just gonna eat it up. So yeah, that's it. Black on black. I imagine I'll have it for, if I don't lose it, like, a good 10 years. I'm happy. I'll put the links down below and you can check it out. They make a fixed version of this too. They make a fixed blade. It looks pretty sweet. I like the shape of these, and they're decently light, and the teeth are good. I use them all the time. So that's it. Quick video, nothing crazy. Thanks for watching. The boys. All right, see ya. Subscribe.